First Alert Weather with Brian Allworth is sponsored by St. Francis Healthcare System.
Nice tower cam this morning. A few minutes ago, we couldn't see anything. The fog beginning to break up already, but you can see the sun rising, lighting up this layer of fog over the Mississippi and parts of downtown this morning. Thick fog in other locations this morning as well, but not everywhere. It's mostly, I suspect, around rivers and lakes and ponds, so be aware of that. Could be a significant travel issue, but you can see here it's fairly localized in some areas this morning. It is really chilly outside, and that's not localized. That's everywhere, so you'll need jackets for sure. Calm winds, clear skies, current temps ranging from the mid-30s to the mid-40s, although just a hair warmer at Kennett right now at a cool 48. But yeah, with the clear skies and lower humidity levels, it got colder this morning than yesterday morning. So we're at 36 degrees, in fact, officially at the Cape Girardeau Airport, and the dew point also 36, but no wind chill to speak of because the winds are fairly calm. Now, having said all that about the fog and the chilly this morning, it's going to end up as a beautiful and very mild day today. We're going to warm up like 30 or 40 degrees from the official low to the official high, and pretty much full sunshine today. In fact, most of the country, especially east of the Rockies, with quiet conditions. We do have some rain way up toward New York State and southeastern Canada. There are some winter storm watches in effect up toward Wyoming for a system tomorrow, but for today at least, looking pretty tranquil. So a little morning fog, but it ends up as sunny and very pleasant today. Tonight, though, a little more cloud cover. Those clouds should keep it a little less chilly tonight. And then tomorrow, a warm front comes through from west-east, but all of our models continue to trend. We showed this almost the same map yesterday morning. They continue to trend from here to the north with showers and storms along that front. And so we're not too concerned about severe. In fact, most of the area may stay dry if this verifies, with maybe a few showers way up toward Farmington, up toward Mount Vernon tomorrow morning. And in any event, it should clear out by tomorrow afternoon. For most of us, I think we'll stay dry with that warm front tomorrow. For today, sunny and mild. The highs officially in the mid-70s this afternoon. For tonight, not as chilly, but still cool. Some clouds, lows upper 40s to low 50s. And tomorrow, maybe that slight chance of showers in the morning. Otherwise, high of 80 tomorrow, 80 on Thursday. Check out Friday. Could be some showers and thunderstorms with a fairly strong cold front. And your first alert behind that front this upcoming weekend will be dry, mostly dry anyway, but chilly and breezy with highs only on average in the low 60s.